Tonelo, good morning from Canada. Good morning. Good afternoon. It's morning or after? Oh, it's midnight. It's 3:50. I think 4 a.m. Am I right, Tonelo? Huh? Mm. Hello. Tonelo, Patrick. Hello. Like and subscribe. What? Please double tap your screen. Dula matilay live dula. Oh. Dili girl you. No. Papa lang. Yes, it's 3:50 a.m. Oh. What are you doing? Why are you so early to wake up?